I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a little box openings and some things to invite you to. October is coming fast, and I know every single one of we doll people, especially those that sew or make things for our dolls, get so busy in October that I wanted to mention these now. Darren and I would like to invite you to join in with our channel again this year on October 17th. I even use the same date for Tiny Witches. And what that is we take a doll 8 inches or less, and however you want to dress your witch is fantastic. Then make your video and let us know you have that video on the 17th when you come to my channel and watch my Tiny Witch. We're not going to use hashtag, but if you would link us in, that would be fantastic. And then, to be fair, on October 24th, we're going to do tall witches. And I thought, anything over 14 inches, any doll. I know I have the 38-inch Barbies. If you have something taller than that, that qualifies too. I just thought it would be fun to do the tiny and the tall. Then on the 31st, which is Halloween, we're going to ask you to join us on our channel and just make a clip of your doll trick-or-treating or holiday scene. Don't add your name or anything to it. We'll get you more details later. I just want you to be thinking about it. What is it, Darren? Don't we ask for like a 15-second, or did you do
15,
like
20 seconds.
15, 20 seconds, no music, no talking.
If it's shorter, you don't have to do anything different. You don't have to try and make it longer, but just
up to, we should say, 15. But not a photo. We need a video. Photos are harder for Darren to work for. And what we're going to do is we're going to make one video out of that. And then Darren will put everybody's name the same on the screen. That way one isn't gigantic and one's real small. So Darren will do all the graphics and all that. Don't talk. Don't add music. Darren will play music throughout. And that is October 31st. We'll need those earlier. I'll give you more details on these. I just wanted to bring them up. And of course, don't forget on the 16th of every month, we have Dolls Gone Goth that Doris Dollies and I host together. We always invite you to join that, as well as on the 18th, Hi Barbie. And we have a theme. We call it Hi Barbie because of the movie. And then on the 3rd of each month, we have the Amaya Rain. Amaya Rain Day is what we call it. It's just any rainbow high, any shadow high. Oh, I like it, Darren. It's different than your other t-shirts. I'm not so sure. Your shoulders are so broad. It's hard to know. I got the 2X. I know you wear a extra large because of your shoulders. Do you like it?
I do. It's not a steam. Steam's my thing, but it is cool. Reminds me of train stations and
something else
Europe.
to wear to the train minis. We go to 2 train club meetings a month, so it's kind of fun for a change. I'm excited about this. That's why I brought up Halloween. I saw this doll a while back on AliExpress. Just thought it was cute. Came up again. Oh, I really liked it. Put it in my cart, and it's been there a while. The other day, I thought, you know what? Halloween is coming. I don't even want a face up. I just want it as is. Let's see. Did I get eyes? Oh, wow. Shoes and hands and way more than I thought I was getting. Okay, so let's set this aside for a second and pull this doll out. It's just a little, it's more ivory. I thought it was going to be white. Oh, she is, it looks kind of isn't it? I really liked it. And I told Darren, I'm not going to do a face up on it. I'm not going to add eyelashes, nothing. This is how the plastic. They must have put the plastic on and then the head. I'll take care of that later. I'm not going to pick at it and make this any longer than it is. It's actually got some weight to it. Well, how cute is this doll? Oh my, that is cute. They said it's 1/7. I think it's, let's get your little arm. What the heck here? There we go. Oh wow, this is a cute, look at that. Oh my. Isn't it cute? All right, let's see what else they gave me. Must be a she. And shoes, they sent shoes. How cool is that? Because look at these. I get such a kick out of J Dolls UK, trotters, she calls them, the feet, especially when they're big like that, she'll say they're big trotters. Look at all these hands. Okay, that's an eye. I'll put that in. Let's hope there's 2. Okay, I'm trying to hurry.
One in the shoe.
Yeah, I see it. Thank you. All right, so we got these little shoes. We got all these hands and 2 eyes, and the eyes are blue just like the, I really like this doll. I just thought, boy, it's heavy. It's a cute little doll. I might go back and see what else they have. Okay, lots of hands, that's for sure. Oh, okie dokie hand. Can you see that?
That's cute.
That's really cute. Let's see what else they do have. We've got the peace sign. We've got the okie dokie, both directions. We've got a little, I'll bet that says something. That's a little fist, little thumbs up or thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down. Same. Oh, they're cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, let me put them in the bag because I'm going to open this big box. Darren has surprised me with something, and I wanted to film it. I know what's in there. I just don't know what color. All right. Let's see. For once, notice it says heavy, heavy, heavy. I went to push it. Darren had set it on the counter. I was out mowing yesterday. Darren set it on the counter. I'm like, oh, what's in the box? He says, something for you. And I said, well, tomorrow morning I'll open it on camera. All right. This is, we have 3, I'm looking, they're all in there, 3D printers. And if you don't know about 3D printers, you don't just put something in there and then like a copy machine. Oh no. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is. It takes, Darren just printed me a chair for my bicycle and car for my, oh, we got a value pack here. For my Smart Doll. I'm getting a new Smart Doll to ride on my bike with me. I've been riding quite a bit. If I quit eating, I might lose weight, but we won't talk about that. Anyway, he printed me a chair is what I'm trying to say. I'm, looking in here trying to peek at the colors. And what'd you say, 15-hour print?
Yep.
Yeah, and Fritz the Frog, what was the hour print on that?
Oh, I don't remember. It's like 115 hours or something like that.
It takes a while for a 3, and we even have a faster one, and it takes some time. And then Darren, of course, makes all the, well, not all, but makes most of his own models, which is patterns. And he's always making me doll stuff. And I always tell the story that a few years ago, he bought himself a 3D printer. And he was showing it to me. I'm like, I don't care, but what on earth are you going to print with it? And he made the mistake of saying, I could do doll shoes. You know what he's been doing with it ever since? Oh my God. And then it's like we bought another one, and then we bought another one, and then we bought another one. And now we're thinking about a resin, but we want to be set up different for it because they stink and they're a mess, and I don't know. I can't get excited about a resin. Yeah, I know what all they can print. I'm going to pull these up in just a minute. Let's start looking. What did you get me? Black. We're always out of... What is it?
It's a dark blue. I'm pretty sure.
Are we saying black navy.
It's just a really dark, I think, if that's the one I think it is, it's a really dark blue.
And is this regular or is this that
Regular,
flexible?
no flexible
Okay.
in this. These were all on sales, why I got a bunch of different colors we don't normally use.
Very cool.
That's a dark blue. In the value pack was a black and gray, I think.
I'm going to open it in a minute.
Okay.
PLA, yeah. Orange, that's a color I used. I never thought I'd use so much orange, and I'll tell you how I started really using it is not only for our bicycle stuff, because we like to have bright colors on, but also I wanted the orange shoes for the Blythe dolls as a hat tip to the Kinner Blythe dolls, because the little redhead came with orange shoes. Ooh, finally, magenta. I don't know why, but magenta usually costs more than other colors, so we've been putting it off. And
It's not a very good magenta, but
no, but it's magenta, and we haven't had it.
yeah.
When I was a little girl, you know, my mom would buy those great big things of crayons, and my magenta was just a nub in a couple weeks. Favorite crayon, and I'm heavy-handed,
That's
so I
a
would
dark red, like a Christmas
blood
red.
red. Oh, Christmas.
Blood red, yeah, I think.
Very cool.
Should say on the
very
side of the
cool.
box, but
I want to open them.
no, that's fine.
Oh, and a green. Yeah, we use a lot of,
I think it's another dark green.
It is dark green.
Christmas
I like
green.
that. Yep. Yep, evergreen green. And, ooh, the possibility.
We've got like 50 rolls of filament, and these include some new colors we don't have. So
Black.
maybe. I can't remember now. I needed white, gray, and black, and the value pack had
Where did you say it says?
where the cutout is.
Don't say. Black. Okay, that one is black. And what else did you get us? Oh, Arrow Blue. This is Patriot Blue. Love, 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 love it. It's also my horses. We used to have a herd of horses, and I don't like horses to share tack or brushes or anything. So all of my horses were color-coded. You know, their halters match their saddle blankets, match their all their brushes and stuff. And so this is Arrow, my paint horse, who we raised and still have. So we call that Arrow Blue. Okay, we got white and gray.
Yep.
Very cool. Oh, the possibilities. What is this?
You'll know what it is as soon as you even peek in there.
Can I cut it like this?
Yeah.
Oh! The other day I was riding my bike, my therapy bike, because my back was acting up, which is my, oh, wait a minute, felt like something else in there. Which is my, 27-year-old hybrid when they first came out. Hybrid bikes, which is road bike, mountain bike hybrid. Shouldn't it be 3 of these? 2?
Woo!
Sneeze over there.
I gotta
Cameraman sneeze. Not an earthquake. Not an earthquake. Anyway, original tires. Rode the Katy Trail on that, end to end. Rode it years and years and years, miles and miles and miles. And we were riding a couple days ago. I hurt my back, so I was back on it, and I felt like there was something stuck. And, you know, it's going like this. I'm like, Darren, check, am I getting a flat tire? He's like, no, there's something on it. So we did this all the way home, and I'm riding through grass to try to get it off. I didn't want to stop. I was so tired. We had already done, like, I don't know, 18 miles or something. And I just wanted to get home. It started right before, well, about a mile out from house. I just rode it home. So we got here, and the tire itself, not the tube, the tire had this big bulge on it. That's okay. After all those years and all those miles, I feel like it did well. Thank you for watching. Please keep these dates in mind. Write them on your calendar. That is October 17th, Tiny Witches, October 24th, Tall Witches, and October 30th, Trick or Treat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.